Hello everyone. So today we'll be talking about two value fashion retail companies, which has performed really well and has recently posted its Q4 numbers as well. So अगर हम लोग retail apparel sector का apparel sector value fashion retail sector का demand देखें, it's been bullish. I would say the traction has been really good. Also there is a shift going on, especially in tier 2, 3, 4 cities, where the shift is going from unorganized market to organized market. Unorganized market in India, अगर हम लोग like 85% is unorganized market, 50% is the organized market, in which I would say that these two companies has performed really well. One of them is the leader, I would say, and this indicates the consumer preferences as well, that they want an environment like in mall store. Uh, they want proper trial rooms for changing the outfits and everything, for checking their outfit. They want feasibility as well, they want convenience. So due to which there is more traction when it comes to tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities. अगर हम Q3 भी देखें, Q3 एक recap करें what happened in Q3 when it comes to both the companies. I would say that in Bazaar Style Limited, they performed, their top line grew around 24%. They have given a muted growth when it comes to SSG. Their EBITDA margins also got contracted. PAT was also down around 20% in this quarter. SSG showed a degrowth of 3%. In first 9 months, the FY25 SSG is around 10%. So there was a muted growth, and the reason behind this muted growth was कि दुर्गा पूजा लास्ट ईयर बहुत जल्दी आ गया था, 11 डेज़ जल्दी आ गया था. सो सारा जो डिमांड है, जो परफॉर्मेंस था, वो Q2 के रिजल्ट्स में कंट्रीब्यूट हो गया, Q3 में नहीं हुआ, ड्यू टू विच कंपनी फेस्ड हर्डल व्हेन इट कम्स टू Q3 परफॉर्मेंस. एंड ऐसा क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज बाजार स्टाइल लिमिटेड आप देखोगे, एज वी ऑल नो दैट बाजार स्टाइल लिमिटेड इज़ मोस्टली इन ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, वेयर इन स्पेशली इन वेस्ट बंगाल, आसाम, उड़ीसा, जहाँ पे उनका मेन मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टोर्स आर गेटिंग ओपन एंड गेटिंग एडेड एज वेल. सो एंड इनका जो फोकस मार्केट है, जहाँ पे उत्तर प्रदेश आता है, आंध्र प्रदेश, झारखंड, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, they have less stores there as compared to the core market in the eastern side, due to which Q3 was not that good, but Q4 has been really good. Again, Eid is Eid, which is mostly celebrated in eastern side, in all over country definitely, but mostly in eastern side, जहाँ से उनको ज़्यादा demand मिला, and is contributed to its top line growth as well in Q4 numbers. And also management ने last quarter बोला था कि EBITDA margins were contracted due to certain overhead expenses as well, which got increased. As you all know, company has been adding stores aggressively in each quarter, so they have to do an upfront capex. They have also expanded its capacity of warehouse as well. They have added new warehouse. They have done an office expansion as well, and even उन्होंने manpower, as when you continuously open new stores, add new stores, so you need more manpower. So that has also been increased. That was also increased, due to which around 1% of overhead expenses was increased in Q3. And management ने ये भी बोला था, if in going future they will open around 70% stores in the core area, which is West Bengal, Assam and Odisha, and 30% in the focus area, that too especially in Uttar Pradesh. They are going to focus more on Uttar Pradesh when it comes to FY26. Even management has given a PAT margin guidance also. They have given a PAT of 3 to 4% of PAT margin guidance. They had given a revenue growth guidance of around 30% in FY20 in Q2 for FY25 as a whole, which company had surpassed. If we see also कि PAT guidance उन्होंने 3 to 4% दिया था. So by end of Q3, PAT was around 30 crores. Overall net PAT was around 21 crores if we consider all 3 quarters. So around 19 more crores they have to do when it comes to Q4 FY25 to reach that target of 40 crores. Then only the PAT of 3 to 4% will be met. So if we now see V2 Retail top line grew around 58%. Their PAT grew around 170%. SSG was also 25%. So they had been posting good results. I would say good results in whole FY25. and even in Q4 they have posted very good results as well. They have been a leader in value fashion retail sector. They have beaten trend from past few quarters. Trend has been growing at north of 39-40%, but V2 retail is growing around 50-55% north or 50-55% in almost in every quarter of FY25. So yeah, so this was the recap. Now if you look at Q4 FY25 business update, so ये बिजनेस अपडेट है, ये पूरा फिनेंशियल रिजल्ट्स नहीं है. आप इसको एज ए ले सकते हो ट्रेलर की तरह, कि पिक्चर का ऐसे एक ट्रेलर आता है कि एक्सपेक्टेशंस राइज करता है कि कंप्लीट पिक्चर कैसी हो सकती है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक दैट दिस इज़ जस्ट ए ट्रेलर which company has given, but the complete picture will be seen in few weeks when they will post the full results of Q4 FY25. So yeah, so now if we look at first, if we go with the market leader, that's V2 Retail Limited according to me. V2 का अगर Q4 का रिजल्ट देखोगे आप, तो रेवेन्यू grew around 69% on YOY basis, which is of around 499 crores. If you look at FY25 as a whole, top line grew around whooping 62%. So here we can see the demand and the traction the company has received. Even if अगर ईद नहीं होता, तो I would say V2 Retail Limited around 50-55% तक grow कर लेता easily, I would say. Because इनका geographical presence भी है, they are mostly in northern side of the country, where they in underpenetrated areas of tier 2, tier 4 cities as well. So due to which they have an edge over Baazar Style Retail Limited, which is mostly in the eastern side of the country. And most of the festivals अगर आप देखोगे Q4 के जो भी थे festivals was there in northern side compared to eastern side, so that has also contributed. And if we see the store expansion of V2 Retail Limited, company has added around 29 new stores in Q4, and overall FY25 में देखोगे they have added around 74 new stores. Company has surpassed its guidance as well. Total store count, if we see, is around 189 stores. SSG growth is same store sales growth अगर देखोगे कंपनी का is around 24% in Q4 and 29% in FY25. So same store company has been growing, and there's and not just the matured stores, even new stores has been given good traction and good demand, showing good demand as well. So these are the bullish numbers. I would say that they have posted really good numbers in Q4 as well, and they have been the leader in this sector in complete FY25. I would say they have outpassed trend like in a big way, but still we need to see trends results as well in Q4, how they have performed and how they have fared in Q4. And they will not give business updates, so we have to wait for the financial results for trend. So now if you look at the second company, that's Baazar Style Retail Limited, the top line grew around 55%. In Q4 FY25 top line grew around 38%. They have been expanding their stores at a growth of 32% on YOY basis in Q4, and from complete FY25 I would say they have been growing stores at a 32% run rate. In FY24 they had a store count of around 162 stores. In FY25 as of this quarter ended, the first stores of around 214 stores. They have added around 15 stores in Q4, and FY25 अगर पूरा as a whole देखे, they have added around 58 stores. So again, this is all, the company has performed really well. Again, Baazar Style, and they have been benefited because of Eid. I would say अगर Eid नहीं होता, so they would have grown their top line around 35-40%. I would say that, but it is my opinion. But where there was Eid, this was a little push, which not just Baazar Style Retail Limited got, but also V2 Retail Limited as well. Eid has contributed for both the companies in this quarter. So we have to see what happens in Q1 as well. We are talking about Eid because normally अगर आप देखोगे last Eid was in Q1. So Q1 में Eid था, Q4 में नहीं था. But in this time there is a advancement of Eid as well. Eid is in Q4, and for this company it is good that it was in March. वरना अगर Warrens would have been it would have been Q4 रिजल्ट शायद अच्छे नहीं होते. आई वुड से 30-35% का ही ग्रोथ रहता, फिर 35-40% का 55% का ग्रोथ नहीं रहता फिर आई वुड से Q4 के मामले में, बिकॉज उन्होंने भी गाइडेंस तो 30-35% की ही दी थी ना. सो दैट्स वाई. सो अगर गाइडेंस के हिसाब से भी देखो कि बोथ द कंपनीज मेंशन इन द कॉन कॉल दैट दे वांट टू रीच SSG of 10%, and they will be very much satisfied. But if you see now, Bazaar Style Limited has come to an SSG of 20%, and in FY25 it is 13%, I would say. For V2 Retail Limited also, same store sales growth is around 24% in Q4 FY25, and in FY25 it was around, it is around 29%. So there's been a traction is really good. Both the companies has performed really well in all the cylinders. I would say that first is the top line growth of around 55% by Bazaar Style Limited, 69% by V2 Retail Limited. Store addition, Bazaar Style had around 15 new stores. V2 has added around 29 new stores. Both have surpassed their guidance for FY25 as well. They have added around V2 Retail added around 74 new stores in FY25. Q4 FY25 and the Bazaar Style Limited has added around 58 new stores in FY25. So both of them in that part also they have performed really well. When it comes to SST growth, again they have performed really well. So there's been a good performance by both the companies. And आपको अगर देखो कि financials अच्छे थे, they have performed really well. That is also reflected in their stock prices as well. If you have tracked from past 2 to 3 days, stock prices also gone up because of this result. And always, as I said, that please track the companies, track every quarter. I would say track every quarter. It will help you if you have to gauge what how the company is performing quarterly basis, and it will help you to take better investing decisions as well. And also I would say, yeah, always match the management commentary and guidance of previous quarter, what they are giving for future quarters, and how the company is performing in future quarter. Like in Q3 they gave this much guidance, and now in Q4 they have performed really well. So in this match, the guy I would say surpass the guidance, for both the companies, whether it's Bazaar Style or V2 Retail Limited. So again, after Q4 con call, see how the management commentary is, and match it again with for Q1 results as well, after Q1 results as well. So this will help you to make investing decisions better. This will help you see that who is the leader in this sector and who is performing really well. So at the end, पैसा ही बनाना है हम लोग को स्टॉक मार्केट में, पैसा बनाने के लिए है. सो वी नीड टू सी इन which is the fastest growing company, and where we want our money to put in. We want to put in our money, I would say. Where we want to put in our money. Yeah. So yeah, so as I said, both the companies has performed really well, and this sector is performing really well. So thank you so much. Keep on supporting. Have a great day. And if you have any queries, please DM me in Twitter, and you can leave a comment in YouTube as well. And I will definitely resolve your queries and answer your questions. Thank you so much.